Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. Needed for summer, so we're gonna see what fits. It's an ASOS haul. It's been a while, but I definitely wanted to film for you guys because it's been a while and I know that this is what you love. Here's our box. We have a nice big box of goodies. Let's get into it. Dress. It's a leopard print. It matches my scarf. It's a leopard print maxi bodycon style, and I have been eyeing this dress on the website for a while, so I'm very excited to see how it is gonna look, if I'm gonna like it. I got a size 18, I believe. Yeah, so let's try it on. I'm excited. You know I'm a leopard print girly. This, I thought I would, but you know, you can never be too sure. So it's a nice one shoulder. It is super stretchy. It has a black lining, and then the leopard is like a mesh. So definitely, I think you can size down in this. I got an 18, and I think the 18 fits really well. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, it's giving body. Super comfortable. I feel like this could really be dressed up or down. I feel like I could wear this for like a really cute nighttime event, or even a red carpet with some black strappy heels, you know, a lot of nice jewelry, hair done, makeup done. I could see this really dressed like sexy, gold jewelry. I even kind of like it with the head wrap right now, the scarf. But then I feel like this could also be dressed down really well. Like you could do a sandal with a little jacket or cardigan, like a motorcycle jacket or a denim jacket, a cardigan. I feel like this could be worn in a lot of different ways, and I'm really into it. It's super comfortable, lightweight. I feel like it's gonna be great for when it's really hot out, and you could wear shorts under this and you don't have to worry anyone's gonna see the shorts. I'm into it. Okay, next is completely different. It's also a dress. I got this in a size 18 as well. It's called a tennis sundress. The back is smocked and super stretchy. It has like a tank top aesthetic, but it looks really, really wide. Like, can you tell? Like, to me that looks like a size 22. But then it's very short. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. I needed a simple black dress for my brother's graduation. I wanted to wear something simple, black and casual that I could like dress up, so that I'm not taking attention away from my brother, but also I can be comfortable because it's gonna be hot, you know, it's gonna be outside. So I wanted to have something simple that I could wear with like red lipstick, some cute heels, and just like dress it up with some jewelry. But I don't know how I feel about this. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so just as I thought, the top is too big on me. It's a very wide style, and the sleeves are a bit longer, the straps, so I would have to take those in. But I do like the way it fits through the waist, and I like the like linen style and the shape of it, because it's like that A-line shape, but it does kind of cinch at the waist a bit. The issue for me is because of my big butt, the back is too short, and you can see it, it's like right under my booty, so it's a bit short to wear without anything. I think it could be cute with black tights. I don't know, or even like skin tone tights. I think it could be cute dressed up like that. But this could also just be a really nice like beach dress, because it's kind of like a linen material. It's like somewhere in between a stretch denim and a linen, if that makes sense. That's what the fabric to me feels like. I don't know. I would have to try to style it to see if I'm going to keep it, but I don't know. I don't want to make something work. I want to keep things that really work. But I do like the way this feels, because I feel like I could throw on bike shorts with this even if the shorts show, like, it's no problem. I could throw on black bike shorts and wear this so often. I picked up this set and it comes separately, so you have to buy it separately, but it is a matching set. I got an 18 non-stretch linen type of fabric. I thought this would be a really cute set because in the summer I go to a lot of brand events that are, you know, in summer and it's hot. And you want like a simple, cute little outfit that's casual, comfortable, but you don't always want to wear a dress. They're kind of see-through. I got a size 20. The waistband looks stretchy, but the waist is not the problem for me. This waist is big, but the issue for me is my hips and thighs. So let's see. Okay, it fits, and I think I actually really like it. Stop. Okay. Here's what it's looking like. How cute is this fit? And it's so comfortable. So I am gonna have to get the pants tailored, as you can see. So I'm gonna take them to my tailor so I can get them probably like right around here. I probably need about 2 to 3 inches cut off of these. But look how good this looks. Stop it. Oh my god. Okay, there is nothing as good as when you lose weight and you buy an outfit and then it actually looks how you want it to look in your head, and it's because you worked your ass off. These are the moments I think about when I'm doing my workouts and I'm like, how am I gonna get through this? I want to kill myself. I think about these moments and it is so worth it because this is the outfit that I was really worried about, and I love this. This is so different for me, but it really gives old money, which is like my aesthetic. And it's so hard to find items like this. Like this. The gold jewelry. Stop. I'm so excited to wear this outfit. I'm going to take this to my tailor tomorrow because I have an IT Cosmetics event this month. I have a Makeup Forever event this month. There'll probably be something else coming up that I can't even think of right now. Okay, we got another dress here that I got as an option for my brother's graduation. This one is like a longer style. It's a puff sleeve. And it has a little cutout here with a little bow. And it's longer. It's like a maxi dress. So I don't know. I didn't really want to do maxi. But if it looks really good, this might have to do, because I don't know if I want to wear tights and I want to be comfortable. So let's see how it looks. Okay, this dress is way too humongous. I don't know what size I got. Look at this. Huge. It needs to be like 3 sizes smaller. I got a size 18, so I don't know why it's so big. This is like a size 24. But it's cute. So if you were looking at it, I'll leave it linked. Of course, everything will be linked. So if you want this dress, I would size down like 2 to 3 sizes, like no joke, because it's big and I'm big. Okay, this next dress is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like a little fairy princess angel from like the Garden of Bridgerton. It is such an ethereal fairy type of dress. I love it. I did size down. I got a size 16 because the way it looked in the photos, it looked very flowy, and I was right. Like, look how flowy it is. This is a 16. Here's the thing though. The top layer is very, very flowy. The whole dress is non-stretch, but there's a lining underneath and it is a little snug on me. So I might have to get a size 18, and I'll show you. Do you see how the lining is a bit snug on my hip area because it is a size 16 and I'm more of an 18. But the top, I really like that because it's so snug. I don't have to wear a bra. In the summer, because of the heat, your body does expand a little bit, and I don't want to feel like I'm wearing anything too tight. So I think I'm just gonna get the 18 just so I don't have to worry about it being too snug. I'd rather it be loose than tight. But you could size down if your hips are not as big as mine, because I'm wearing a 16 right now and I'm not a size 16. Maybe on top but not really on the bottom. So anyway, this is so pretty. I feel like I should be running through the fields of Bridgerton. Oh my god. Colin, love me. I would never beg a man to love me, but you know, you gotta get okay, here's a piece that I actually sized up in because they didn't have my size in stock. I was gonna get a 16 or an 18, but they didn't have it, so I got the 20. And it actually kind of worked out because it is very snug. Now, this is the part here where it is kind of big on me, so I might take it to my tailor and see if there's something he can do to like tighten the boob area. I feel like it would look better if it was like closer together and like, would that not look better? Okay, the last clothing item is this skirt, and it's like a silky caramel gold skirt. I love these types of skirts, like satin skirts, satin dresses. They're very flattering. I got a size 18 and I think it fits well. It's a little snug, but I think it's fine. I don't know if I love it. I don't know. I have to style it. I was in my hair. I used it as a top, and I will link this scarf in the description. It's from Amazon. So here's how it looks in the back. Just tied up right here. Like, this is a vibe. This is an NYC night, summer night vibe. With like a strappy gold heel, a strappy gold sandal, a black sandal. Is this not a vibe? It's giving Sex and the City. It's giving Siren. I kind of like this. Okay, lastly we have some shoes. These are just some white, wide width, like faux croc, faux leather little mules. I thought they were so cute. Such a good basic shoe to have. I believe these are a size 8 and they fit perfectly. These are so comfortable. I'm loving the heel. I just think they're perfect. Perfect, wide width. Okay, next are these super cute, super tall white platforms. How adorable. Also size 8. I have to figure out how to put these on. They have like long straps. So give me a minute. I'll be back. Okay, I just made myself sweat trying to put these on. Unfortunately, the strap is not long enough to go around my ankle. I think it has to go around 2 or 3 times. So like this part goes once around. Yeah, 3 times. And then this part goes around. And then it's supposed to come back a 3rd time. And it is like 2 centimeters too short for my ankle. So unfortunately, these are a no, which really sucks. They're so cute. And they fit, and they're wide fit. They're a size 8. And you would think if they're wide fit that they would fit a bigger ankle, because most people that are gonna, like, I know there's straight size people who buy wide feet, who buy wide foot shoes, but it should also accommodate bigger people with bigger ankles. They're so cute though. Unfortunate. And now with this shoe, I have the opposite problem. They're too wide. As you can see, my foot is sliding right out of it. Look at that. I'm assuming maybe I need a smaller size. These are also a size 8. So maybe I need a size 6 or 7, but I don't, that sounds crazy. Maybe a 7. My foot is literally sliding out of these, and I love them. These are definitely the kind of shoe I would wear all summer. Look how cute they are. These, very wide foot. So if you have a very wide foot, definitely try these. I'm gonna have to size down because my foot is literally sliding all the way out. Look at this. Crazy.